If Tinkercad is showing an unknown error, don't panic. In most cases, this is caused by a temporary browser issue, a cache problem, an extension conflict, or even a circuit simulation error. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step, so you can get back to designing, building, and testing in Tinkercad without wasting time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple fix like this. Let's jump in. The first thing to do is a hard refresh and give the system a moment to recover. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This forces your browser to reload the page fresh instead of using a saved version from cache. A lot of times an unknown error appears because the browser is holding on to an old or broken session. After that, wait about 60 seconds before trying again. Tinkercad sometimes throws a generic unknown error when the servers are briefly syncing or when your session is temporarily out of sync. That short pause can fix the issue faster than anything else. If the error is still there, the next step is to enable hardware acceleration in your browser. In Chrome or Edge, go into Settings, then System, and turn on Use Hardware Acceleration when available. After that, fully close the browser and reopen it. Tinkercad relies on WebGL for 3D design and circuit simulation, and if your browser can't properly access your graphics card, it may crash or show an unknown error. Restarting the browser after changing the setting is important because the update won't fully apply until the browser relaunches. Now let's clear the cache and cookies, because corrupted browser data is one of the most common causes of strange Tinkercad errors. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on Windows, or use the browser's privacy settings on Mac. Set the time range to the last 24 hours, then check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Once you confirm, click Clear Data. This removes damaged session tokens and broken temporary files that can block Tinkercad from loading properly or saving your work. After clearing everything, sign back in and test the site again. If that still doesn't solve it, open Tinkercad in an incognito or private window. On Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. This is a great test because incognito mode disables most extensions by default. If Tinkercad works there, then the problem is almost certainly an extension interfering with the site. Common culprits include ad blockers, VPN extensions, dark mode plugins, privacy tools, and aggressive security add-ons. Turn those off one by one in your normal browser until you find the one causing the conflict. Now, if you're getting the unknown error inside the circuits editor, you should inspect your circuit and code logic carefully. One major issue is a direct short between 5V and GND without any component in between. That can break the simulation and cause the backend to fail. Another common problem is an infinite loop in your code. If you're using void loop or while loops, make sure you include a small delay, like delay 10. Without that pause, the browser tab can freeze, the simulation can become unstable, and Tinkercad may throw an unknown error. Also, double-check that your pin assignments in code match the actual wiring on your breadboard. A mismatch between the code and the physical setup can create confusing errors that look unrelated at first. If none of that works, it's time to check your network and the Tinkercad service itself. Visit health.autodesk.com to see whether Autodesk is reporting an outage or scheduled maintenance. If the service is having issues, there may be nothing wrong on your side. Also turn off any active VPN or proxy connection, because those can trigger security blocks or create IP mismatches during uploads and sync. If your browser still seems stuck, open Command Prompt and run ipconfig/flush DNS to refresh your DNS routing. That can clear out network translation problems and help Tinkercad connect properly again. So, to quickly recap, the best fixes for a Tinkercad unknown error are hard refresh the page, wait a minute, enable hardware acceleration, clear cache and cookies, test in incognito mode, check your circuit and code logic, and review network or server status. In most cases, one of these steps will solve it quickly. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and comment below if you want a deeper guide on Tinkercad circuits, coding, or 3D design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.